Hey everybody, so I got some new cutting boards to show you today. These are from Royal Craft, and I have done some other products from theirs before, but it wasn't for the kitchen. It was for bathroom stuff, so they do make a lot of different things. Now, they did send these over to me to try out, and I do have two different styles here. So we got a 3-pack of different sizes, and then I also have one of their larger boards. I will be showing you all of them, and they are also made from a bamboo. Now, I do like Royal Craft. I think they do make some pretty good stuff. I got a couple of their bath trays. This would be the first time I've gotten their cutting boards though. But these are made of 100% bamboo. They are water resistant. They are also easy to clean. And hand wash these only. And with this set, we do have 3 different sizes. Then we also have our small one, which is great for anything you need to do that's small task. You can see that they also have these wood handles notched into both sides. Make it really easy to pick them up and to hold them. So I like that. Then we have our medium-sized one, just a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker than the first one, a little bit heavier. They're not that heavy though. Same thing, you got your handles into the wood. I do like that feature. I didn't think it was a big deal until I actually started picking these up. And then we have our largest one. I also forgot to mention, these do have the juice grooves on every single one for the top part. And then you can see where they got their stamp, Royal Craft Wood. And again, you got your handles on the larger one as well. All right, so then we have our big guy here. As you can see, this is another one, bamboo cutting board by Royal Craft. It's for chopping, cutting, and serving, so this would definitely be a good size for serving. Let's go ahead and open this on up. Okay, so inside the large one, there is a little bonus thing. It's going to talk about the company and stuff. You can read that on your own. And then this one did come with like a little conversion chart. It just tells you some dry weights and some temperature, oven temps, and stuff like that. This is just a little bonus card they throw in. Now this board is a little bit different compared to the other ones that I showed you. This one does not have the two-tone. This one is a little bit thicker. It does have the juice groove all the way around. And this one also has the handle notches on both sides. All right, now like I mentioned, I really like those handles because it makes it really easy to pick this up. I have a large butcher block it's a lot thicker than this, a lot heavier too. But it has no handles where you can easily pick it up. So you gotta finagle it just a little bit better. So that's why I really like these handles. And if you've had a big butcher block or even just a cutting board in general, then you know what I mean by that. It just makes it so much easier to get a good grasp on it and to keep a hold of it if you're gonna use it as a serving tray. Now these cutting boards do not have grips at the bottoms like some do, so I would recommend using like a wet towel underneath. It gives it a lot better grip so you don't slip everywhere. See? Nice feel on the wood. I'll say overall, nice boards, nice feel. And now for me, I would be more likely to use these smaller ones most of the time. This one would be really nice whenever I'm working with meats or just larger quantities of food. And like I mentioned, they are easy to clean and you want to hand wash them. And I would also recommend after you wash them to use a little bit of mineral oil just to keep your board in good shape and keep it from drying out and cracking. I used the 13 Chefs. This is what I've been using for the last few years. It works really well. You hardly need any of it. And it goes a very, very long ways. Now, all you're going to have to do is add just a little bit of oil, and it goes a long way. So don't go crazy. Don't go overboard. You can always add more, but it makes a mess to remove it. So do a little bit at a time, and either take a cloth or a paper towel and just spread it everywhere. Just get every little spot. Make sure you get it all nice and oiled. All right, and then after that, I'll let it sit for a few minutes to kind of absorb a little bit. And then I will store this, and I recommend to store these upright. So really, that's all you need to maintain your board, to keep it from drying out and cracking. Your board will last a lot longer. As you saw, it didn't take very much to do at all. And you can always do another coat if you wish, but that's just plenty. But overall, really nice boards, very good quality, not too heavy, and I do recommend them.